Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making spicy tofu pan fried recipe. Before getting started, if you are new to this channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. These are the list of ingredients we would need to marinate the tofu. You can also find them listed in the description section. I have taken around 350 grams of tofu. Now we are going to slice it into medium-sized pieces. Do not cut the tofu too small because the pieces are delicate and it might break. I'm using the medium firm tofu from the market, and as you can see, the texture is still little spongy for it. Try to keep all the pieces to the similar size. When it comes to tofu, everybody have a different opinion about it. I think it's about finding the right kind of tofu and making it properly. Once you cut the tofu, we are going to add all the pieces to a bowl. Seasoning the tofu right is very important, so add juice of half a lemon, then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 tablespoon of mango powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now gently mix the tofu and combine it with the spices. Use your hand if you are not comfortable with the spoon, but make sure that all the tofu is combined with the spices. Then keep the marinated tofu in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes, we are going to stir fry the tofu, and these are the ingredients we would need. So heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, add 1 finely chopped large onion. Let this cook on high heat till the onion becomes translucent or golden brown in color. As the onion turns translucent, add 1 finely chopped green chili, followed by 1 inch of grated ginger and 3 to 4 grated garlic cloves, and mix everything and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add 1 large finely chopped tomato. Mix it well and let it cook till the tomato turns soft. We are going to cook this over medium or low heat. The tomato has turned soft. Mix everything to get the feel of it, and if you feel that it is still not soft, let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Mine is good to go. So I'm going to add now 1 medium roughly chopped bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper here. You can use any bell pepper of your choice. Give it a slight mix, mixing it well with the rest of the ingredients, and let it cook for about 2 minutes over medium heat. After 2 minutes, we are going to add the same spices we used for the marination of tofu. So add half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Now mix everything well and let it cook for about 10 minutes over low heat till all the spices are well combined with all the other ingredients and cook really well. After 10 minutes, we are going to add the marinated tofu to the pan. Gently mix the tofu with the other vegetable and spices so everything gets coated properly to the tofu. Be extra gentle while mixing the tofu. We do want to coat the tofu with the spices, but at the same time we do not want to break it. Let this cook for 5 minutes over low heat. After 5 minutes, add some chopped spring onion greens to the pan and mix everything. You may substitute the spring onion greens with some parsley or coriander leaves, but definitely add one of these because they will bring that additional freshness to this recipe. Finally, switch off the heat and let it sit for a minute or two and then serve it hot. This spicy tofu can be served as a starter or as a side dish to your noodles or steamed rice. I'm sure everybody would love it. And if you like, add some soy sauce just before serving it. This is one of my favorite tofu recipes, and do try this at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. So if you like today's video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As I said, this recipe goes really well with noodles, so you can turn this into a full course meal. Click on this Chow Mein recipe and try both of them together. I'm sure you're going to love it. I will see you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.